Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing a short little tutorial on how to get games such as Fortnite, Rocket League, Apex Legends, Smite, and Cyberpunk, and Assassin's Creed, all sorts of games, for some of them for free, some of them not. So, small disclaimer, we will need to set up an Epic Games account and a Steam account, in order to play the games. If you guys have questions about that, I'll show you what that means later. So what you want to do is go to GeForce NVIDIA now. You will click on the first website that pops up, and you will scroll all the way down and make an account by choosing a membership. Free allows you to get standard access and hour-long session lengths. If you guys aren't familiar what session lengths are, they're basically what some websites use that allow free games on certain platforms that don't have them. They basically, there's a wait time to get in, and then there's only a certain amount of time you can have playing them before you have to wait for another session. You have to get sessions if you have free. If you don't want to wait and have a certain amount of time, you can get the Founders for about $50 a year. But once you make an account, I recommend you bookmark it, so that way you don't have to search it up every time. So we can close that tab. Yeah, and basically all you have to do once you create these accounts is when you get into the game, let's say you want to get Rocket League. Once you get into the game, you have to link your account. Other than that, there's nothing else you can do. I definitely recommend this to anybody who does not have the platforms in order to play games such as Rocket League, Fortnite, Apex Legends, all that. Other than that, guys, hope you have an amazing day. Share this to your friends so they can see, and you guys can play whatever you want. Live your life with dedication and happiness. Bye, guys.